How we can write with a pen on paper? Because of friction. Because of friction, we are able to write due to the friction. Matter is found in three states. Number 1 solid, number 2 liquid, number 3 gas. For example, pencil box and pen is solid, water in bowl is liquid, and air in balloon is gaseous state. And this is smell in gas state. Properties of solid, liquid, gas. Solid has fixed shape, fixed volume and fixed size. Liquid has no fixed shape and size but fixed volume. Balloon has no gas have no fixed shape, no fixed volume and no fixed size. It is spread in whole room. How we see the box, book, table are you? Because of the reflection of light. When light falls on the box and reflects to our eyes, then we see the box.